I am Mohammad Kamran, a student of electrical power engineering at Kamsat University for campus. The discussion topic of my video is the CPEC, as CPEC has a prime importance in the region. CPEC is the game changer not only for the Pakistan but also for the whole Asia. CPEC China-Pak Economic Corridor is a collection of projects currently under construction at cost of $51 billion intended to upgrade Pakistani infrastructure. Pakistani officials predict that the project will result in the creation of 7 lakh direct jobs, 2.5% increase to the country's annual economic growth. CPEC is a God-gifted opportunity for Pakistan which will serve as a game changer for both the countries. Economic Corridor is China's biggest overseas investment yet. Pakistani friendship with China is the foundation of Pakistan foreign policy. The current form of Project China-Pakistan Economic Door was first proposed by Li Qiang, a Chinese premier and Washrif, on 22nd of May 2013 in Islamabad. China also commenced construction work at Gwadar Port with the purpose of connecting it to the Western China in November 2014. Chinese government announced its intentions to finance Chinese companies as part of its $46 billion energy and infrastructure. Gwadar is situated near the Strait of Hormuz, through over which 40% of the oil trade is carried out. World economy is the economy of all humans of the world, considered as the international exchange of goods and services. The oil and gas drilling sector alone making up around 3.8% of the world economy. The Persian Gulf is the Mediterranean Sea in Western Asia. The body of water is an extension of Indian Ocean through the Strait of Hormuz, which is a significant part of CPEC and has capacity to play a vital role in regional economic wheel. President Barack Obama's East Asia strategy represented a significant shift in the foreign policy of the United States, which focused from the Middle Eastern sphere and began to invest heavily in East Asia countries such as China, Pakistan, and India. China relations. According to the IMF, China economy ranked second in the world. China's GDP is $14.3 trillion, which is the economically powerful neighbor country. Pakistan and China always kept splendid relations to each other, as both countries have mutual benefits in all fields. China has four major shipping routes which are very important in world trade route. CPEC is a comprehensive development program that entails the linking of Gwadar Port to the Chinese northwest region through highways, railways, oil and gas pipeline, and an optical fiber link. Major physical infrastructure to build includes 2,700-kilometer highway from Kashgar to Gwadar through Khanjrab. President Xi Jinping advocacy of building a human community with shared destiny offers a new solution to difficult issues worldwide. Chinese influence in South Asia is set to expand again with the recent investment announcement in Pakistan strategy, Gwadar Port, and development of CPEC. Because both the US and Chinese are keenly interested in the shifting power in Asia, there is always tough time for Pakistan due to the India. So the project like CPECs are inevitable to balance the economical power in the region. Infrastructure of the CPEC is that China will construct railroad networks stretching over 4,000 kilometers from Gwadar to Kashgar. The CPEC will also undertake construction of over 12 special economic zones along with the construction of corridor. China has also taken the initiative to develop the whole Gwadar region, making it more hospitable for the settlement of the people and different business enterprises. The $12 billion dedicated for development of basic infrastructure. Energy sector. Pakistan and China have signed a formal agreement for approximately $1.5 billion financing for 660 megawatt coal generation at Thar. The other energy project signed up under the CPEC project is the establishment of 1320 megawatt Port Qasim Electric Power Company, Karachi. The net worth of financing for this project is around $1.9 billion. Transportation. $1.5 billion has been signed between the federal government of Pakistan and Exim Bank of China for the construction of Orange Line metro train Lahore. The Orange Line is extended over a distance of 27 kilometers and is expected to facilitate 2.5 lakh passengers on a daily basis. The project will also undertake the revival and extension of the Karakoram Highway that links Xinjiang with Pakistan northern region, Gilgit-Baltistan and KPK. 1,100-kilometer long motorway will be constructed between the cities of Karachi and Lahore in the CPEC project. Economic benefits for Pakistan. CPEC is also referred to as a modern Silk Road of worth $75 billion investment. Currently, China is carrying out its 80% transportation of oil and gas via sea route of over 12,000 km long. The CPEC will reduce this trade to a 2,000-kilometer route via land. Another benefit for the Pakistan or the boost to the economy, 6% uplift to the GDP, infrastructure development, connection and equalization among provinces, development of KPK and Balochistan, completion of Gwadar would make it economic hub of Balochistan, job opportunities especially for the local of international airport at Gwadar, rail network between Karachi and Peshawar will be upgraded. World's largest solar power project in Bahawalpur, generation 900 megawatt electricity on an investment of $1.5 billion. Significance for China: save time and cost, shortest route of 10,000-kilometer distance, reduced shipping time from 45 days to the 10 days, accessibility to Afghan calls and Middle East, access to Indian Oceans, interested to extend the Iran-Pak gas pipeline to western area. Impacts of the CPEC on the region. CPEC will not only be beneficial for China and Pakistan but will have a positive impact on Iran, Afghanistan and India. CPEC is one of most important developments of the One Belt One Road project started by China that aims to link the China with Europe and Africa, making the most important country in world economic affairs. CPEC connects northwestern region of the region of China with Pakistan port of Gwadar on the Arabian Sea via a network of highways, rail system to 2,500 kilometer raid and railroad. The pipeline to transport oil, gas, and other resources. Threat and challenges for the CPEC. Deep study and careful analysis of the prevailing situation suggests three major threats, which are security threats. One of the most crucial elements CPEC is ensuring the protection and security of the region. Such threats are from extremist groups, cross-border insurgents. The army have raised many regiments and units along the CPEC route for the sole purpose of providing security for the economic corridor. Political destabilization over CPEC. To a great extent, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project is enjoying the support of political parties. Unfortunately, there are some political entities encumbering the CPEC project because of their own personal issues. Economic deficiency. As Pakistan is facing financial crisis due to the decreased agriculture yield and power shortage, the local populace is facing inflation all over the country. As stated earlier, Pakistan is contributing $30 billion in CPEC project. Reduction in financial pool means deficiency in work progress of CPEC. Conclusion. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is one of the biggest and the most important projects for both syndicates. Each is making their biggest investment. The corridor will reduce a 12,000 kilometer sea route into only 2,000 kilometer land route for China, connecting Kashgar to the Gwadar. Upon completion, the corridor will greatly improve the trading process and will provide development opportunities to both contributors. That will provide employment opportunities, well-established infrastructure, 4,000-kilometer long road and rail network connecting various regions of Pakistan. The project will bring about great improvement in the economy of Pakistan. To conclude, the CPEC is one of vital national and regional interest and can alone become a game changer for Pakistan and the South Asian region. CPEC will play an important role in making Pakistan one of the most attractive transit trade routes in the world. The trade route in future can link Central Asia via Afghanistan and give the Central Asian countries an easier access of the sea. References can be seen in the bibliography. Thanks for watching.